Good day, ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor Mah. On the 27th of July 2023, Health Minister Ong Ye Kung announced that Singapore's health tech agency Integrated Health Information Systems has been rebranded as Synapxe. The agency marks its 15th anniversary this year. Its new name is inspired by synapses, critical nodes for transmitting information between neurons throughout the body, and reflects the growth of its work in shaping the future of health technology in Singapore. Synapxe supports the operations of 46 public healthcare institutions, including acute hospitals and polyclinics, and some 1,400 community partners such as nursing homes and general practitioners. Professor Mah will now explain 3 reasons why this rebranding exercise is wasteful. Reason number 1 is that the healthcare customer does not have any direct interactions with Synapxe. In other words, whether it is called Synapxe or Synapxe, does not affect the customer since Synapxe works with the healthcare providers like doctors and nurses behind the scenes. This means that unlike Twitter's name change to X, which created a lot of buzz throughout the world, the customer would most likely not even know about Synapxe's name change. Reason number 2 is that the name change creates additional administrative work that distracts the employees of Synapxe from doing their more important work. When the organization changes its name, all existing contracts need to be novated. Another option for changing a contract when there is a name change is to create a letter of agreement that refers to the specific change and have both parties sign it. In both cases, we are looking at a lot of unproductive additional work. Reason number 3 is that the name change is environmentally unfriendly and wasteful. All existing letterheads, signages, name cards and labels will have to be discarded and new ones have to be made. Professor Mah estimates the total cost of all the new letterheads, signages, name cards and labels for Synapxe will be more than the 1 million plus Singapore dollars spent by SLA to refurbish the bungalows at number 26 Ridout Road and number 32 Ridout Road. At least the Ridout Road renovations improved the living conditions of our 2 ministers and their families. The money spent on the Synapxe name change is totally unnecessary. So why is there another wasteful rebranding exercise? We have to ask Ng Su Ying, the Chief Executive Officer of Synapxe, to explain, because Professor Mah cannot think of any good reason for this. By the way, since we are on the subject of names, Ng Su Ying's name tells us that she is related to former top civil servant Ng Tong Dao. Professor Mah is a very fair person, hence I am giving Ng Su Ying an opportunity to explain the reasons behind the name change. Dear Su Ying, if you are not too busy redistributing your new name cards, you can email me at theprofessorma@gmail.com to explain. In subsequent videos, Professor Mah will explain more aspects of life. In the meantime, please help by liking and by subscribing. Thank you.